Okay, I want to find the cosine of 4 pi over 3. Whoa! Man! Now wait a second. Let's think about this. This is the way the book goes about doing this. First thing it says, it kind of draws a picture. That kind of helps because now I know I'm in quadrant 3. But the things I need to know are this. I need to make my alpha, remember, back to the x-axis. And here's what I'm going to do. The terminal side is in quadrant what? Well, we know it's in quadrant 3. So I know I can find this by taking theta minus pi. Because you got to go back to that. Remember, in quadrants 2 and 3, it's just how far you are from pi. Well, it's going to be really easy. If the denominator is 3, I'm going to take this 4 pi and minus 3. But here's what I notice. It's always going to be that number there. Or I could just say 4 minus 3 is what? Pi over 3. And here's what's really cool about this. Now I can go back to that chart at pi over 3 and find that the cosine at pi over 3 is in quadrant 3. And is cosine positive or is cosine negative in quadrant 3? Well, you got to remember, cosine quadrant 3 is what? Negative, because the x is negative and the r is positive, making it negative. So I know this. The cosine of pi over 3 will be negative. This here, cosine 4 pi over 3 will be negative cosine of just pi over 3. And if I go back to that chart, pi over 3 was at 1/2, so I'll just make it negative. So the answer is just what? Negative 1/2. But here's what I would do. Notice, hey, that's a 3. I would just say pi over 3, figure out the quadrant, figure out if it's positive or negative. That's it. That's it. That's all you got to do. Find out what the alpha angle is, and for these radian forms and these denominators, that makes it really easy for the ones we're going to be doing that are exact answers. So, just say pi over 3, quadrant, this one happened to be in quadrant 3, so you know it's negative. Or you could kind of use the unit circle on that one too. That would also work.